Hello everyone, it's Mr. Allen here for our golden ticket assembly for years 3, 4, 5 and 6. And these golden tickets go to those children who are just outstanding. Outstanding in everything they do, every single aspect of school life. These children are absolutely brilliant. We're going to kick off this morning with year 3. And in Miss White's class, this person has a brilliant attitude to learning and thinks hard about what they have been asked to do. They always try their hardest and set a great example to others. If you aren't the winner of this week, watch these children, watch the children, because they are setting the perfect example. Copy them, because who knows, then next week you could win the golden ticket. But this one goes to Mahir. Here he is, look at him, look at that, absolutely superb. He's on it every single minute of the day, so really well deserved. A great start to year 3, Mahir. Huge congratulations. And maybe you can share your treats with your sister, mum and dad. Who knows, it's up to you, buddy. I'm sure you will, but enjoy them. Well done. Moving on, Mr. Ackerman, this child has been exemplary since the beginning of the year. I agree. He works incredibly hard, listens impeccably, and always tries his best. He reads at least 5 times a week, and reading every single day, sometimes twice a day. Enthusiastic and excited about his learning, as always. Goes to none other than Berin. Here he is. Berin, thank you so much, buddy. You are making my job so much easier. Keep it up, buddy. Keep up the hard work. Fantastic start to year 3. Huge congratulations. And again, maybe you could share your treats with your brother. Who knows? It's up to you, buddy, but they are yours, so enjoy. Well done. Moving on to year 4. Miss Barrett. This child is so enthusiastic about everything we do at school. They come to school smiling every day. Their hand shoots up into the air to contribute to all lessons, and they make my life easier by being really helpful around the classroom. A delight to have around. They absolutely are a delight to have around. And it is Reggie. Reggie, you superstar. So proud of you, buddy. Let's keep up with our press-up challenge as well, all right? Enjoy your treats. Well done, buddy. You really deserve it. I'm proud of you. Keep it up, because everyone can copy you as well. So thank you so much. Well done. Mr. Pinner's class. She's a great friend on the playground and an excellent work partner in class. A wonderful team player. She always gives her all in everything that she does in class and is fantastic to teach. That's what we want. We just want fantastic children to teach all the time. And I know Mr. Pillar is really loving having Olivia. Here she is, the smiliest girl in school. Here she is, always smiling, always doing the best, always trying her best. So really well done, Olivia. Well deserved. And enjoy your treats as well, because they'll be coming home with you as well today. Fantastic. Thank you. Miss Arthurton, year 5, here we go. Look, this person works hard in every lesson and will help others around. She's a great friend and role model to everyone in our class. It is a pleasure to teach this child, as she always produces amazing work. Always, without a shadow of a doubt. Superb. This one goes to Amelia. Here she is. Again, lovely smiling face. Amelia, you are superb. Thank you so much. Everything you do, you try your hardest, you work as hard as you possibly can. Really well deserved. Enjoy your treats as well. Put this in a really safe place. Well done. Moving on, Miss Musselwhite. Now, look at this. Miss Musselwhite has written loads about this child. My golden ticket winner this week is someone who always tries their best, never gives up. They read every day as well as going on spelling shed at home all the time. They have produced some outstanding writing this week in English, and they always try and push themselves in maths. They always contribute to lessons, and they try hard to remember things that they have learned. Well done. Raquel, well done, hun. Superb. You absolute superstar. Look at you. You work so hard. I know all the way through here, doing your history as well, your maths and your English, whatever that is, you do amazing work. Huge congratulations. Again, with your treats taken home, maybe you can share that home with your family. It's up to you, hun. They are yours. So really well done. Really proud of you. Well done. Moving on to year 6. Go. Miss Percy's golden ticket this week goes to someone who completely understands what it means to be a year 6. And we've spoken a lot about that with our year 6 and making sure that they're actually being really independent and top of the school. They work purposely, are helpful around the class, and are always ready to listen. Well done to Jenna Marie. Thank you, Jenna Marie. I know you're making my job much easier. You absolutely are a perfect role model for year 6. Others need to just copy you, because that's where you win a golden ticket. Well done. And again, with your treats, maybe you can share that at home with your brothers, okay? Who knows? It's up to you, and so really well done. Finally, we have Mr. Davidson. Mr. Davidson's golden ticket has a child in all lessons. Her effort and willingness to challenge herself is exemplary. She is polite, friendly, a role model to all, and has even independently undertaken extra home learning. And even actually, when she's had bad toes, she's carried on doing games and PE. You'll know who it is now because it's Ella. Here she is. Well done, Ella. Absolutely. Super positive attitude in everything that she does. Never giving up, and just absolutely really well deserved. Again, enjoy your treats. Take them home, put this in a really safe place. Well done, Ella. Thank you. Fantastic start to year 6. Finally, it's great to see so many children trying their best this week and not giving up, finding their inner animal and just keeping on trying and not giving up. So really well done, guys. And who knows, next week it could be you winning the golden ticket. Finally, my final message is please stay safe this weekend, guys. We know things are changing, things are moving again, but please stay safe. Look after ourselves, look after everyone in your families as well. Enjoy the weekend. We'll see you all on Monday. Bye-bye now.